All right, so Bitwarden Firefox extension not working? Yeah, that can be really frustrating, but don't worry, I'll show you the fastest fixes step by step. First, a quick idea. This usually happens because of browser issues, extension conflicts, or outdated versions. Start by refreshing the page. Next, completely restart Firefox. Check if the Bitwarden extension is enabled in the add-ons section. Make sure your Firefox browser is updated to the latest version. Also update the Bitwarden extension itself. Try logging out of your account and logging back in. Clear your browser cache and cookies to remove any stored errors. If you have multiple add-ons installed, disable them temporarily because some can conflict with Bitwarden. If the issue continues, reinstall the extension completely. Also, make sure your vault is unlocked because certain features won't work if it's locked. And finally, check if Bitwarden servers are down. So yeah, these fixes should get your Bitwarden Firefox extension working again fast. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More tech fixes coming soon.